By 2029, we will be 200,000 homes short. That's not my number. That's from the Housing Industry Association, and yet our government still claims we're on track to build 1.2 million homes. Spoiler alert, we are not. The numbers don't add up. The approvals are not there. And if you're renting or trying to buy, this shortage could be your worst nightmare or your biggest opportunity, depending on how you use this information. Let's start with the facts. The government's promise, 1.2 million new homes in 5 years. They allocated $10 billion to this. That means we'd need to build 240,000 homes a year every year from mid-2024 to 2029. It sounds nice, except last year we only completed around 170,000 homes. And the Housing Industry Association says at our current pace, we'll only hit about 1 million homes by 2029. That's a shortfall of almost 200,000 homes, and it's already locked in. This cannot change, guys. So the next 5 years, this number, we can guarantee, we can bank on this, we can plan to it. So why can't we build? It sounds so simple. 3 reasons, and they're not going away. Number 1, costs. Construction costs are up over 30% since 2020. Builders can't quote fixed prices, and banks are pulling finance. Number 2, red tape. It takes years to get approvals through councils, even for basic infill projects. 3, labor shortages. We've lost tens of thousands of skilled tradies, and migration isn't filling that gap fast enough. So we're adding millions of new people, but can't even house the ones that are here now. This is where it gets really scary. When supply dries up completely, you don't just get price rises. You get a structural housing crisis. Rents skyrocket. Vacancy rates drop below 1%. Investors rush back in because there's not enough stock, and that drives prices even higher. Check out this chart. We're seeing record numbers of investors in the market right now. By 2029, we could see rents 40% higher than pre-pandemic levels. The property prices breaking new records, not because of demand, but because of sheer scarcity. That's why I say you can't crash what you can't build. This is not a bubble, it's a supply drought. So what do you do with this information? If you're an investor, stop waiting for a crash. The crash already happened in construction. That's where the pain is. Builders are falling, not prices. If you're renting, start preparing a strategy now to get out of the rent race. Government schemes will not save you, they'll just push prices higher when they finally arrive. If you own property now, you're sitting on the one thing that's becoming rarer every day: supply. Protect it, leverage it, and structure it properly, because 2029 isn't the end of the market, it's the start of a new phase. Think about this, the main home you own now has so much value tied up in it, it's increasing in value. If you can utilize that property to grow your property portfolio, you need to get expert advice on how to do that. I'm Kuru, and I help Australians master their money and become property insiders and invest correctly into the property market before the rest of the market wakes up. If you want to understand how to position yourself, hit that subscribe button and get your 3 to 6 minute daily property update every single day from me, so you can be a property insider. I generally want to know what you think. Please drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. And if you want to check out a few of my forecasts on some property markets here in Australia, start off with this video. I cover one of the key markets that are growing right now that you need to know about. Go ahead and check that video out right now.